wishing all our family and followers a happy and healthy New Year.
Yes, and it's a windy New Year as well down here. So, as you have seen, we came down through the southwestern forest region. That was quite a drive. And here we are, right at the very bottom of the southwest of Western Australia. So this is actually Denmark. It's a place called...
Elephant Rocks?
No, it's not. It's called Sinker Bay.
Oh.
We're going to Elephant Rocks next. But yeah, we're staying in Albany. Beautiful climate down here. It's like in the mid-20s. But because this is Western Australia, it's windy.
Still windy.
So we'll try and show you around Albany and the region. We'll give you some insight into what this area has to offer. But yeah, this is
Very nice.
This is the first of our 2025 series.
So hopefully hope you follow us.
Yeah, and we'll see you soon.
Bye. Hi.
Hi. I'm busy.
It's Christmas Day and I know you feel like you've gone backwards, but we just thought we'd put a little bit in, even though the episode is for the new year. So we're Christmas at a farm. We're in a farm, aren't we?
It's called Big Valley Farm in the Margaret River region. And we've been to get some wine from the Margaret River region.
Margaret River wine! Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas. Happy Christmas. So we were just talking earlier this morning. We think this is our 48th Christmas that we've spent together.
It's more than that. How long have we been married?
44 years married. And then
okay, another few years on top.
48, maybe 49. Anyhow, a lot of Christmases together, and they've all been very, very different.
Yes.
But anyhow, hopefully we'll enjoy this one. By the time you watch this, it'll probably be middle of January, so this is time travelling back to Christmas 2024, Margaret River. Catch you later.
Bye.
Okay, this is the end of our trip down the southwest to Albany. We ended up in Albany after going to Cape Leeuwin lighthouse, as you saw, and to Busselton, as you saw. And we spent 10 nights in Albany. What do you think of Albany, Jill?
It's a nice place. We've seen lots of, especially on this peninsula here, all these
Beautiful
different
bays.
views of bays.
Yeah. This is called Jimmy Newell's Bay. So as you can see, it's a fabulous outlook.
And some are actually beaches.
Some are what?
Some are actually beaches.
Beaches, yeah. Some lovely beaches, as you've also seen. So tomorrow, where are we going? Hopetoun and then Esperance. And that then is the end of our stay here on the southwest.
WA.
Then we head across the Nullarbor. So, and the weather down here, as we hoped, has been fabulous. It's been sort of mid to high 20s most days and sunny. So we haven't had to put up with some of the stinking hot weather that they've had further north, which has been good.
Oh, the thunderstorms over.
Oh, the thunderstorms, yeah. All right, so that's
big waves.
Yeah, that's us done. We hope you enjoyed this episode, and we'll see you in the next one. And don't forget
to like and subscribe, and most of all, just comment.
See you soon.
Thank you.